Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to put apps on desktop Windows 11. So if you want to put any application on your desktop Windows 11, whether pre-installed application or the apps that you installed yourself on your Windows, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to put apps or add apps on desktop Windows 11, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the start button. Select settings. Now, once the settings page loads, scroll down and click on personalization. Once you selected personalization, just scroll down the page, click on themes. Now, once you selected themes, scroll down and click on desktop icon settings under related settings. Now, once you click on that, you should see a pop-up. Then on this pop-up, you should see desktop icons. To add or put apps on desktop on Windows 11, all you need to do is select the app you want to add. Then once you selected it here, then go ahead and click on apply. Then you should see the app added to the desktop. If you want to add network, check it under desktop icon and click on apply. Then you should see the network at the top here. Then at the same time, if you want to add control panel, select it, click on add, and then click on OK. Now, if you want to add any application you installed on your Windows 11 to your Windows 11 desktop, click on the start button, select all. Now scroll down, locate the app you want to add to desktop, let's say the Maps app, then drag the application to your desktop like this. Now you can now open the application on your Windows desktop and then you're good. You see that? So that's exactly how to add or put apps on desktop Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.